na wom da market won se ne wom bubu wom dan no won se ne wom ahoden aba
abuza from mu nyina makwaba e de bagana nsem TV so but omo dey so be like video no be subscribe to the channel no what turn on notifications say be next time videos of this nature eba also sabit makabina so watch the comment section ho maybe who be from Mr. President Amejo so TikTok or comment section ho by be who be from Mr. President Amejo so ko yin na edwum say that chi bia no e betim the new patriotic party aba power na ya bana Ghana fo nyina ho ato ko amamo we dey e dey into Sudan say man we need that chi bia na de bia me ka sem bi say amanyasom ne yeye no so wa mo ni anda ho a ho be chiro pa the moment I be hold the public office and say who say you own it a responsibility, I mean a sole responsibility to serve the ordinary Ghanaian. But I think say I do retirement nkofo bebree if you say a public office no more hold it. As a result of that, it is their sole responsibility to impact and improve lives of people. They have forgotten about that. Abushami chankra momi enko video bi mra. The video no we are going to take our time and digest the issues out of the perspective of the ordinary guy, not the perspective of Mr. President here. Market is
not a sleeping place.
They call it a market, but you can see bed here.
Make way for the market people. Make way for the market people.
This is a market.
The market is not a sleeping place.
See the market. They say it's a market, but see the market.
Clear everything.
See the market, see everything. When they say it's a market, you know the market. See that market, everything here. Yeah. Yes, they are doing everything. That's why we are bringing. They bring women here, women they are here, they do nonsense things.
won se ne wom bubu won na wom da market won se ne wom bubu wom dan no won se ne wom ahoden aba se ne wom bubu nkofo dan e market places no won se ne a wom ahoden won ahoden a wom di bubu won ahoden a wom bode sei ko ayi kios won ahoden a wom de sei kios no na nkese se NDC nye the same ahoden e de building room Ede ma Ghana for set away ya obi enkonkoda market. Won ahoden na wo mu di bubu nkofo dan. Enwa na wo mu dan market places no. Won ahoden wo mu di bubu dan no. Sa ahoden na wo mu di bubu no. Na nka se NDC government nye the same ahoden. Ede nyuma padigu ho. Ede ma Ghana for set away ya o nipa na order market no benya adwuma ni bia ye. No conquer market wo. Sanka NDC party no. NDC government no. Sanka womu jino man Ghana ho. Ene womu jini kwa etira. Nanka womu betira si ehuni say. Enwana womu da market no womu ni babi da. Eni nti na womu aye womu adwene say womu beda market. Inti se sa na ete dia sa nkofo we to aba. Edi tie NPP government say womu pe change. Womu pa hoto. Womu pe nyuma ye such a way as our market places in womu nkoda ho biem ene womu gina se de to abadi TMPP government ene womu to abadi ma NDC se NDC embra na mfa nhyehyɛ ye pa megu ho mame NDC ba ye onfa nhyehyɛ ye pa bia megu ho ba bia me da na menya asomdie kakra na me de to abati TMPP na me to abadi ma NDC na NDC ba ye no wo bebibu no it is sanka NDC ewa adwene pa e de masa youth na nka NDC betena se aka se oh sa nkofo ye wo da market places ikura no wo ni babi da nti me se sa wo da na ehemfa na wo ye de ehemfa na wo beda nti se sa na te dia ma menye fast na mempe dan ba ko bi a mesi e de asi ho e de ma wona wo da market places no se te we ya me kokko bubu wo a na me koma wo solution mi bubu no na me ma wo solution na me ka kira say mi bubu mi NDC government mi bubu wo dan no because mercy edan bi wo ha na kona eden kona tenam na ye ne nkakra na eden nye sika na fa kwa rent because market no yensi market ni se wo mum na medam yesi market ni se wo fa nton ade be nam se wonni babi danti na wo yusu a wo da ho eni nti na me NDC government medwene ho no ma si dan di asi wo nti me ba be ka choro se free market na wo dam ni free na kona da ha because maybe a wo da ne kora no automatically enye save sankan this government no womo dwene o man Ghana ho ene womo dwene youth no ho a na nke they will give them solution before they will destroy baby a womo da say wo koto anoma buo ho a wo bubu anoma buo na anoma ne be de na wada obe chinchin nti wona womu ni sika womo de be rented dan na womo abobo kiosk o market wona womo da ho no automatically no wa ma womo ebia ma womo anda na bubu na wo bubu no automatically wo ka kire womo say womo nko ne number sabasa fa na pa kire because obi biala ogini obi biala ho no obegini ho hu ni say me say ya ade yi me nini a me de be ma esese me ma obi na wodi shem at that moment ma obi ma wan fan shem no me ni adwempa e de ma wo nti sankan NDC government no wa adwenepa e de ma sa nkofo no wo mu bubu wo mu dan na ko mu be hu ni se wo mu ni babida nti mami si edan ba ko ntum na wo a wo benya student matres no fa betum o bag ba ko ne kita wa fa besim seche we obi abenya babi ada seche we wo bubu kura na wo bubu wi a wasaso amawo ebe a wo mu di wo mu ti be den wo mu di wo mu ti beto
Amunuano no ha no ye nyina ye ti kruma no mu be ya forensic audit ni be wie no wo de se wo kruma emoja kro e kan wuti aboba baabi e faaye aboba e kan masa apolisi for na start o madwuma me se yimi no mieru ye ti kruma wo be hu baabi e kwa akosi se parliament de na wo di bule ya ya nka ho he no we de wa no akorpoto wo de se ye ti kruma me se me ma example professor Kumando Asahwan, Mahama Bresso, or no akotu to bon come say, na or more ya reshafu to fins a berry shafuno. A crow my eti.
Any pebby, I know didn't my pa at say, ye will such manum, and perform a party in Penifoya, dear Yahoo, and then come over will be.
I can't matter. I can't matter, but I never find Pina. Aba omukwa
yeka kwa uba kumasia sabe ye wo FF antonum ye wo doctor say don ko fodwonom ye wo kese asi
family pa ubo mudu wo de ye fa sanctuary party ni from beach obi ayi ko ma omun katae e fa say doctor don ko fodwom pu de ni wa emre en sembi o ha bia obeka bi bat omun fa nya bi go
e wa ya man kwa wo ye wo FF anto wo ho
o sanji pa bo mudi na kwa me o ka obi amfanya he because party no baby e ko di ye no ani baby e ababu du me asai na MPP party
baby e ko di ye na party e ko di MPP for monsem
MPP party kwa me keke ya uke ya nche die se uke mu o sanji do chari ka MPP ni panyi di brani a usuro so be so
okay papa na ne fe ni bikai no
bikai don't be bikai because discipline.
And then I say, me say, Sabi, Nyan Kazame Chama, Abonye, Echi, Doctor Nane, Pa, Doctor Nane, Edinigina was a Kania, na ya doctor no, na, Nukwana de Manko, Nenina, would do no one woo. Emma, Doctor Nane, I will know a senior gynecologist. Go for time, the Rose Minister, the Health Minister, hey!
And I make us a doctor and in a while, I don't say, if you are for the book, politics, John career. If you not, I will can. Which we are coming up for Canada. No, I am. Now, did not make up. I mean, then be careful. That's why we didn't go arrive.
And to say, Obiso or the Juma Bako Pebeba, and I say a Juma Bako Peno, a Befan conform Akuma Trea, Nenka Sempa. And it's obiara bɛkɔ kɔto aba ɛde amasa no dewi ne saa nipa ne baaya saa adwuma no ɔno kae no ɛne wontumi mie ɛne de ɔkeka nsa akyi ɔba bɛsi market na youth ni na ɛsɛ sɛ otumi criticize aban no sɔle sɛ papa wanka ne saa nti kɔkɔ yɛ adwuma no na ma adwuma no ne yɛ youth ni nyɛ saa adwuma no ne yɛnyɛ no ɛna yɛ youth ni ba bɛtena TikTok a na nkwasasɛm ko a na ɔmutuo no mudi na ya na mebisa mo sɛ ne nti Ghana no youth no ɛnyɛ adwuma no mo pɛ na deɛ pa na mo hwehwɛ because
so ene da no se mu de bia ye ka ho asem oman we just say yenim oman issue ayewo ko ye hwe ne ma papa na adan kwaku for Dr. Laji Mahmood Bawumia ye de ma oman we a any 2024 elections eko eno ma Dr. Bawumia e den na de kire Ghana fa se me ba we ni we na me yama mo na busia na ke yensem pata de yensa kan serious so can in fact oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi presidency oman bi timi ko borrow oman bi leaders KBA the new patriotic party the leaders of the party KBA borrow omodom ko another African country to cause development there. For the first time in the history of the country we have generalized free senior high school. The word is generalized. For the first time in the history of the country we have active drone delivery systems. For the first time in the history of the party and of the country, yetimi enya active and well facilitated health facilities across the length and breadth of the country. Agenda 111. We may say impoyen because the agenda na the person here number of hospitals in the person is because of time. But those ones yetimi we go and see how they have been operationalized. And then me look at say we have some of the hospitals in fact, equipping hospitals not all right, but because of political tantrums and political gains, many can say hospitals and they go sana no me say. It is a Kenyan you say na no me nyina be ya. It is can kan dey was say botumi we say oh, I mean say we say people for akonfo. Name ma akonfo ti ma sacrifice discard to what their hospitals dem ma so mo ya akonfo. Akonfo ti ma facilitate me say on be fund free seniors so mo ya akonfo. You say anya Ghana for dey bi. Na fe na tables na 10 afi dem kekam kakaka. Why are they shouting? Obi ankara no ntum ne nko no ho. Asofo no mo nkoma no ntu with the greatest of respect. Omo nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Chief imam for ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Politicians ne nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Market women no nkoma no ntu ne nko nyina ho. Obi ankara no ntu ne nko nyina ho. 2020 do then you know the way forward. Yeti kroma obi so ono oba ono the credit scoring system beba mo so open konketenkete. Nanze bibini na kasa de se bi ye bibia yanketenkete ya adwen yanketenkete ye bibia ye bia invest square ye yanketenkete. We want everything in pieces. We don't want everything in bulk. Adi asem kra ni. Obi ma credit scoring system also open konketenkete. Obi introduce electric or electronic bus systems, most of them konketenkete. You see anyone? You people chose policy, you people chose music over policy. Then you tell me ho papa na fe na mbusu wa kire me. Me na wo ne wo sia kire me say bi me na me ko ka kire Ibrahim Dramani ma say o mema was come to butu wa. Ye wa ha. Digitalization ye start say ye mo say there digitalization and to kinki. Nti mo pe kinki sika. Nti amamu papa na ba o mo ma mo kinki amamu a ade na mo kam. Ye wo krom ha ya. And the Rajon Dramani mama could not and can form Gafun catch up say, oh, Gafun, oh, now they are making here utilization here. And I got for so can you but to Abanama boom, 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 boom. Much about my kinky government. It's me.
Say dear ko ye kwade menu now to me who letter be a yoke of what Troy about Council of State member Bota region. Now Miss Films, hey. Remona Chapa ya happiness say where can say Israel train.
But the issue is true.
Okwe letter now was say Council of State member no ye former staff Emanam 1. Which is never true. Onye Juma or da. And Onye Juma or da. Amanam 1 for the first time Nam 1 I post. Oh yes. na mo aye post
ya no ka chi obi se nipa ne boa
o